So this is my 608 trivia design exercise. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with a new user so that my points start back at 0. So I'll have like 0 or user 003 and I'll just upload that. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm printing the question and the correct answer in my serial as a way to check that my true and false buttons on my actual setup are working correctly and the points are getting changed as requested. Okay, so it's loading up. Okay, so show my first question. So the first question, gumbo is a stew that originated in Louisiana, and the correct answer is true. So over here on my screen, since I just created this new user, the points are back at 0. I have like a general trivia is like the name of the game, since it's coming from the general category of the API. So there's a question and we know the correct answer is true. So I'll go ahead and press true and we can see the points increment by 1. And then this question, the Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. And so correct answer is false. But okay, let's say if I put like true, so this would be the wrong answer and we can see points go back to 0. So here's another question. French word for travel is travail, and the correct answer is false. So again, I'll put the correct answer false. So you can see points go back to 1. So for this question, correct answer false. So I can put false. We see points are now 2. This question, correct answer is also false. So 3, this question, correct answer true. 4, this one, the correct answer is false, so I'll get it wrong. And we go down to 3. And so now I'm just going to show how, so this is, I'm currently at 3 points for the specific user, 003. So I'm going to go ahead and like change users. So earlier it was 002. So we're gonna re-upload and we'll see that the points are gonna go to the previous 002 points, and then I'll go back to 003 and we can see that the 3 points would also remain there as it's pulling that point number from the actual database. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, cool, connecting to Wi-Fi, nice. Okay, so as you can see, this was my user 002 from before, points -27. This user doesn't really know much. So powerhouse of the cell, everybody knows this is true. So you can see we're going to increment back up. So now I'm gonna go back to user 3, the one we were just playing that we started. And we'll see that the points will go back to what they previously were at, as it's like, again, like pulling from the database. So again, it's gonna take a while to load. And almost unloading. Cool. Okay, connecting to Wi-Fi. Cool, Pluto's planet false. Okay, and we can see the points are back to 3, which is what we previously had before we like switched the power off and everything. And again, like Pluto is a planet, not anymore, so false, and we can see it's incrementing back up. And so that is my general trivia game.